Hi, it's Dean for the new Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll to the display and brightness section. Then tap the wallpaper and here you could use photo from iGallery, the Google one, or wallpapers from our device, just the default ones, or to use photo from our device gallery previously taken on the device camera. For example, let's use one from these available pictures. Just tap to apply, click to lock screen wallpaper, wait a couple of seconds. Now we can see that the configuration is successful, so let's check and we can see that we've successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. So first we should hold it for a while, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon. Just tap on it and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers, tap to apply, click to lock screen, and that's it. So, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.